Check out this Briggs Riley Underseat cabin bag. Now there are so many pockets on this piece of luggage, and you can even place tinier pieces of clothing within this side pocket here. But if we then close it back up and look at other pockets, there are so many different options that we can have with this piece of luggage. So we can see this side pocket here, which we can use for like pieces of paper or even our ID cards perhaps, or something flat that we can include in this style of a pocket that is on the outside of our luggage. Now, if we open up these other pockets here, it really just shows you how much space is within this piece of luggage. We could even include like a little battery power bank in this pocket for traveling for a long distance and we need to make sure our phone doesn't run out of battery. Now this opens up so that you can have lots of different things within this underseat cabin bag. There's so many pockets within this luggage. We can include like our underwear or our socks in this part of the luggage, or even like smaller t-shirts perhaps. But other than that, we can also include other pieces of clothing within this luggage and have it be a carry-on or even be under the seat in front of us, which is a great option. Now this is very light and there's a handle on top which you can lift up and just carry around with you. And then we have this bar underneath that lifts up very high because it's a very small underseat cabin piece of luggage. So it rolls very nicely and it's just a great option to carry your clothes with you and carry on all of your clothes while you're on your travels. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.